Good morning, Form 1 student. Let's go to page 25, looking at quick practice 4.17. Read the questions carefully. To attract more visitors, a theme park decreased its entrance fee by 5% to $285 in July. As a result, the number of people visiting the theme park increased from 5,000 in June to 5,500 in July. Part A. Find the entrance fee of the theme park in June. So, you may pay attention in the first statement only. It mentioned that the theme park decreased its entrance fee by 5% to $285 in July. So, first of all, you notice this is a decrease. It means in June, it's suppose the charge is more, the fee is more than $285. And what is the percentage decrease, which is 5%? Okay, 5%. And the new value is $225. If you want to find the entrance fee of the theme park in July, usually we may need to have a certain let statement. So you may write down let $X be entrance fee of the theme park in June. So you will have a formula. Compare with the value in June is 5% less. So it must minus 1 minus 5%. I should write properly. 5%. And the corresponding new value is 285. You have this formula, and therefore you can find the corresponding value of X, which is $285 over 1 minus 5%. You may, with the help of calculator, return the value at once, which is 500. And of course, don't forget to write down the answer statement. The required entrance fee is $300. But some of you find that to write down the last statement is quite time consuming. Therefore, we have an alternative. The other method is that as we have certain word in your worksheet, when you read the question, you may highlight that value be X. Then on your worksheet, you may notice it should be X times 1 minus 5%, and which is equals to 285. Therefore, X equals to 285 over 1 minus 5%. You'll notice how to find the corresponding entrance fee, or say the unknown X. Then you may organize to present your answer without a let statement. You may simply write down the entrance fee in June is $285 over 1 minus 5%, and which is $300. Okay, now for part B. You are going to find the percentage change in the total entrance fee income of the theme park from June to July. From June to July. So, as you're looking for the percentage change, the formula refers to the new value minus the old value over the old value, or say the original value, and of course times 100%. So which one is the old value? July. Which one is the new value? June is the old value. The entrance fee in July is the new value. Therefore, part B, the percentage, ugly handwriting, change is, what is the corresponding new value? New value, $285. How many visitors in July? Which is 5,500. So the new value of the total entrance fee should be $285 times number of visitor. Okay, minus what is the original value? Original value should obtain the results from part A. The entrance fee per person is 300. And how many of them? 5,000 visitor over original value. It means 300 times 5,000. This value times 100%. Again, you may, with the use of calculator, return the final answer at once, which is 4.5%. And this is an increase, therefore it is a positive value. Some of you want to ask, is it a must to write down the positive? Yes, you may not specify, as if you don't write it down, it means this is positive. Okay, that's it. This is the corresponding change.